Welcome to IRG's Sports Injury Update. I'm with Shannon O'Kelly, physical therapist and president of IRG Physical and Hand Therapy, and our guest, Dr. Jamie Antoine, orthopedic surgeon with Pro Ortho in Kirkland.
Dr. Antoine, how are you?
Doing well, Shannon. How are you doing today?
I'm doing fantastic. We're going to talk about this syndesmosis, high ankle sprain injury, kind of called a tightrope. Tell us about that injury.
So a high ankle sprain or a syndesmosis injury involves an injury to the ligaments above the level of the ankle joint that connect the two big bones of our leg, the tibia and the fibula together. Usually that injury is happening when the foot is getting rotated externally or away from the body relative to the leg. And in football players, this typically happens as the foot gets pinned by another player and the player goes down to the ground.
And how do you diagnose it and repair it?
So usually this is diagnosed on exam with pain above the level of the ankle joint and a lot of swelling and pain with weight bearing. So physical examination and then x-rays, including special x-rays, usually called a stress view, or an MRI can be helpful to diagnose it. If it's an unstable injury, that can require surgery to line the bones up as the bones have been disrupted or separated from one another. And so that's done surgically by lining things up under x-ray. And more recently, we'll tend to fix this with a special suture button and suture device or a tightrope type of device that can hold the bones together.
Return to play.
So return to play with the more accelerated rehab that we're able to have can now be as short as 8 to 12 weeks, whereas traditionally using screws to hold this together, this was often a 3 to 6 month recovery.
Dr. Antoine, great job. If you want more information regarding sports medicine injuries, you can contact Dr. Antoine at AntoineOrthopedics.com. That's AntoineOrthopedics.com.
With over 40 neighborhood clinics around Washington, IRG has you covered. Let IRG be your family's physical therapist. Find the location nearest you at IRGPT.com. That's IRGPT.com.